Okay, I want to have a look at practicing some of these implicit differentiation problems. So in this problem we're asked to find y prime for xy equals the natural log of x squared plus y. And so what we just need to remember here is that since we're finding y prime, that's the indicator that y is a dependent variable, and every time I take a derivative of a y, I need to also get a y prime term. So looking on the left, I see I have a product. So the product rule says take the derivative of the first, derivative of x is 1, times the second, so that's y, plus the first, times the derivative of y would be y prime. Now I need to set that equal to, now I need to do the derivative of the right-hand side. I see that the derivative of natural log of x squared requires the chain rule, so the derivative of the inside is 2x, and then it's always divided by whatever the argument was, so that's divided by x squared because it'll be 1 over u, plus the derivative of 5y, which is 5y prime. Okay, so now I'm required to get all of the y prime terms together. So this is coming this way, and that's going that way. So let me copy this and move it to the other side so we can have a look at it when we need it. New slide, I'm going to paste that in there. Okay, let's move it over so you can see it. So that's where I'm at now. So I end up with, on the left-hand side, y minus, now if I can cancel these, I imagine, right, there's one x there to cancel and then one there, so that's going to be minus 2 over x is equal to, I've got a 5y prime minus an xy prime. There are a couple of things that are left that I have to do. I'm going to have to factor out the y primes on the right-hand side, and then I'm going to need a common denominator over here so I can clean this up. So why don't I start with the common denominator piece first. So over here I've got a common denominator of x, multiply the y times the x so I get xy, minus the 2 was already over x, is equal to, and then here I get 5 minus x, and then factor the y prime out. So this is where I am right now. Let me get this and grab it and put it on the other slide. Move that over so we can see it. So that's where I am now. So my last step is going to be to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of y prime, which is that 5 minus x. So to finish the problem, I get that, and I'll rewrite it so that I put the y prime on the left just because it looks nice. So I get y prime is equal to xy minus 2 divided by x times the quantity 5 minus x. And there's my final answer.